Home Essentials. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best vacuum cleaners of 2024. Whether you're dealing with stubborn pet hair, everyday dust, or just want to keep your home spotless, these vacuum cleaners are the best of the best. Let's break down what makes them stand out and find the perfect one for your needs. Product links in the descriptions. Alright, let's get started. Number 6, the Bissell Crosswave X7 Cordless Pet Pro Multi-Surface Wet-Dry Vacuum. This innovative vacuum is designed to tackle messes with ease, offering both wet and dry cleaning capabilities. Let's dive into what makes this model a standout choice for your home. The Bissell Crosswave X7 features powerful suction and a unique multi-surface cleaning system that handles everything from pet hair to spills and stains. Whether you're dealing with hard floors, carpets, or area rugs, this vacuum has you covered. The wet-dry function allows you to vacuum and wash your floors in one go, saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of the Crosswave X7 is its Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows you to connect the vacuum to the Bissell Connect app, giving you access to helpful tips, maintenance reminders, and performance tracking right from your smartphone. The cordless design offers the freedom to clean without being tethered to an outlet, and the battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime. The vacuum also includes a large capacity tank for both clean and dirty water, reducing the need for frequent refills. In summary, the Bissell Crosswave X7 Cordless Pet Pro combines advanced cleaning technology, multi-surface versatility, and smart connectivity for a comprehensive cleaning solution. If you're looking for a vacuum that does it all, this model is definitely worth considering. Number 5, the Hoover Wper Evolve Pet Elite Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is designed to offer powerful cleaning performance in a lightweight, cordless package. If you're looking for a vacuum that's both efficient and easy to use, you're in the right place. The Hoover Wper Evolve Pet Elite features superior suction power that effortlessly tackles dirt and pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. Its Tangle Guard brush roll ensures consistent performance without the hassle of hair wrap, making it perfect for pet owners. Weighing in at just under 10 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. The cordless design offers freedom of movement without being tethered to an outlet. And the powerful battery provides up to 35 minutes of runtime, giving you ample time to clean your entire home. Another standout feature is the vacuum's portability. The compact, ergonomic design makes it easy to carry and store, while the large capacity dustbin means less frequent emptying. In summary, the Hoover Wper Evolve Pet Elite combines powerful suction, advanced features, and a lightweight, cordless design to make cleaning a breeze. If you're in the market for a versatile and convenient vacuum cleaner, this model is worth considering. Number 4, the Samsung Jet 90 Cordless Stick Vacuum, a top-tier cleaning tool that combines powerful suction, long-lasting battery life, and sleek design. If you're on the hunt for a vacuum that offers both performance and convenience, stick around as we unpack the features that make the Jet 90 a standout choice. The Samsung Jet 90 is designed for serious cleaning, boasting an impressive 200 air-watt suction power that easily tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair on all surfaces. Whether you're dealing with thick carpets or hard floors, this vacuum delivers a thorough clean every time. Plus, the advanced multi-layered filtration system captures 99.999% of fine dust particles, making it ideal for homes with allergy sufferers. One of the key features of the Jet 90 is its long-lasting battery, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This ensures you have plenty of time to clean your entire home without interruptions. The vacuum also features a telescopic pipe, allowing you to adjust the height for comfortable use and easy storage. The lightweight, cordless design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces, while the removable battery and washable dustbin add to its convenience. In summary, the Samsung Jet 90 Cordless Stick Vacuum combines powerful suction, extended battery life, and versatile design in one sleek package. It's a great investment for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine without compromising on performance. Number 3, the MAA Complete C3 Bagged Canister Vacuum Cleaner in Marine Blue. This high-end vacuum is designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance on both carpets and hard floors, with a range of features that make it a standout in its class. Let's see what makes it a must-have for your home. The MAA Complete C3 is renowned for its powerful yet quiet suction, driven by a 1200 watt vortex motor. This ensures a deep clean across all surfaces, whether you're tackling thick carpets or delicate hardwood floors. The electro-brush floor head is a key feature, providing extra power to lift embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets while being gentle enough for smooth floors. One of the best aspects of the Complete C3 is its versatility. With 6 different suction settings, you can easily adjust the power to suit any cleaning task, from upholstery to drapes. The vacuum also comes with a range of accessories, including a dusting brush, upholstery tool, and crevice nozzle, so you're covered for every nook and cranny. What sets this model apart is its exceptional filtration system, featuring MAA's Air Clean Sealed system. This ensures that 99.9% of fine dust and allergens are captured, making it perfect for households with allergy sufferers. In summary, the MAA Complete C3 bagged canister vacuum cleaner is a premium choice that offers powerful suction, versatility, and top-notch filtration. Number 2. The Shark AZ 2002 Vertex-powered lift-away upright vacuum, a feature-packed cleaning machine designed to tackle everything from pet hair to deep-down dirt. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile vacuum, stick around as we explore what makes this model a top contender. First up, let's talk about the Duo Clean Power Fins technology. This unique design combines a soft roller and flexible fins to pick up more debris in every pass, ensuring your floors and carpets get a thorough clean. Plus, the self-cleaning brush roll means you'll spend less time cutting out tangled hair, and more time enjoying a clean home. The powered lift-away feature is a real game-changer, allowing you to detach the pod for portable cleaning power. This makes it easy to vacuum stairs, furniture, and other hard-to-reach areas without losing any suction. With a large dust cup, you can clean for longer without frequent emptying, and the included pet crevice tool, dusting brush, and power brush make it a breeze to tackle pet hair, dust, and dirt in every nook and cranny. In summary, the Shark AZ 2002 Vertex Upright Vacuum offers powerful suction, innovative cleaning technologies, and versatile features to handle any cleaning task. It's a great investment for those serious about keeping their home spotless. Number 1. The Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a top-of-the-line model that promises to take your home cleaning to the next level. With cutting-edge technology, powerful suction, and smart features, this vacuum is designed to tackle even the most stubborn dirt and dust. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. The Dyson V15 Detect is equipped with a laser dust detection system that illuminates microscopic dust particles on hard floors, making it easier than ever to spot and clean hidden debris. This feature is a game-changer, especially for those who want a truly deep clean. Under the hood, the V15 boasts Dyson's hyperdymium motor, delivering up to 230 air watts of suction power. This ensures that even the tiniest particles are captured, leaving your floor spotless. The vacuum also features an advanced filtration system that traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, perfect for allergy sufferers. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 60 minutes of fade-free cleaning on a single charge. Plus, the vacuum's LCD screen provides real-time updates on battery life, performance, and maintenance reminders. The Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum is a powerhouse of cleaning technology, offering unmatched suction, innovative features, and smart functionality. If you're serious about keeping your home clean, this vacuum is worth every penny. And there you have it, our picks for the top 6 best vacuum cleaners of 2024. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect match for your cleaning routine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Best Tech for more reviews and home tips. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let us know in the comments which vacuum caught your eye or what you'd like to see us review next. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.